clarity as to what is EBITDA. We know what is current ratio.
Yes.
Yesterday we discussed. We also know what is debt equity ratio.
Yes, sir.
We need to understand what is return on investment.
Yeah, that we need to understand.
Right, and we also need to understand what is return on capital employed and what is return on equity, and earning per share, of course, we understood yesterday.
OFCF
And also OFCF we will understand, right? Okay. So let's.
OFCF, I don't know what is OFCF.
OFCF is operating free cash flow.
Operating free cash flow.
Yeah, operating free cash flow. That is OFCF. So let's understand how do we calculate. Can I rub it off now?
Yes.
Or maybe this will be
Left side we can
useful, right? Okay. So let's begin from the top. What is OFCF? Again, remember, never get carried away by the jargon. Just the meaning is always hidden in that jargon itself. So what it says, OFCF, operating free cash flow, यानी कि ऑपरेशन से जो फ्री कैश आपके हाथ में आ रहा है, that is your OFCF, operating free cash flow.
जो security and all, is that the
No, it is different. So I am going to explain to you. So how do we find out OFCF? We start with the figure of EBITDA, right? I am sure yesterday we discussed, and we all understand what is EBITDA. EBITDA is operating cash flow, right? That is the operating total cash flow that you have in your hand.
उसके बाद जो आता है like वो depreciation and amortization.
उसके EBITDA is before depreciation and amortization. तो इसका मतलब depreciation वो नहीं होगा, नहीं. अब OFCF का क्या मतलब है? OFCF का मतलब है कि हमारे पास में हमारे ऑपरेशन से कितना पैसा हाथ में आ रहा है. That is OFCF. From the operations, how much money is coming in our hand, that is OFCF. How do we find out? Let's say the company has an EBITDA of 1,000. So I am sure yesterday, based on our discussion of yesterday, we all understand it very well that EBITDA का मतलब है
Earning before interest and depreciation.
very good. And EBITDA का एक दूसरा नाम भी है
Operating cash flow.
ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लो, राइट? EBITDA का एक दूसरा नाम है, वो है ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लो. ओके. सो EBITDA में से हम क्या माइनस करेंगे? EBITDA में से हम माइनस करेंगे द फिगर ऑफ कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं? अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अवर कंपनी है, आवर कंपनी हैज अर्नड एन EBITDA of 1,000 crore. For example, I am saying, okay, and hopefully that happens also one day. So 1,000 crore is the EBITDA that we have earned. अब हम सभी को मालूम है कि सारे जो प्लांट्स हैं उनमें कोई प्लांट ऑब्सोलीट होता है तो उसको रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है ना? So we spend lot of money on capital expenditure. So we will minus first the capex. तो जो भी पैसा हम capex ऊपर खर्च करते हैं, we minus that figure from the capex. Let's say that figure is 100. क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने हमारे बिजनेस से 1,000 करोड़ का ऑपरेटिंग कैश कमाया, लेकिन वो ऑपरेटिंग कैश में से 100 crore has already gone, isn't it? And where it is gone? It is gone in the